Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Tracy from Lachance Group. Thanks for your attention to poultry farming Q&A. You can leave your questions or send an email to tracy@sdlachance.com. I will work it out with you. And today we will talk about how to help poultry survive the summer safely. Well, first of all, you need to improve ventilation scheme. In China, the cage system accounts for the vast majority, and the number of fans is mainly based on the maximum wind speed of 3.5 meters per second in the corridor, combined with the cross-sectional area of the chicken house and the exhaust air volume of the fan. This is how can we calculate the number of fans and the area of water curtain. Then you need to improve drinking water facilities. Well, it's actually necessary to install water pressure regulation and water purification equipment to ensure that the water supply system has sufficient pressure. Ensure adequate supply of cool water to the whole house. During heat stress, it's recommended to pre-flush the water line to ensure clean drinking water. You also need to adjust your nutritional measures a little bit. In summer, the energy of poultry feed should be increased by adding 1.5% soybean oil, and the protein level should be increased by 1% to 2%. At the same time, adding 200 grams per ton bioacid with 0.1% to 0.4% vitamin C can effectively improve the utilization rate of oil, reduce body heat increase, and relieve heat stress. Okay, thank you again for your attention. You can follow our channel, Lachance Group, Poultry Nutrition, for more exciting content and leave your questions. We will answer your questions as soon as possible.